To complete the Endpin Jack install, you will need the Endpin Jack tool. The Endpin Jack tool is simply a stretch of wire attached to a 1/4-inch instrument jack plug. With the strap nut removed, drill out a 12mm hole with a wood drill bit for the Endpin Jack. Run the 1/4-inch jack tool through the body of the guitar. On the Endpin Jack that came with the Shadow preamp, remove the strap nut, the outer hexagon nut, and the outer washer. The hexagon nut on the larger end of the Endpin Jack is used to fine-tune the Endpin Jack installation. Connect the 1/4-inch jack tool and pull the jack through the body of the guitar. The wider end of the end pin should rest just below the surface of the guitar. The example in the video shows a proper position. To make adjustments, pull the end pin jack back through the guitar and make adjustments using the inner hexagon nut. Next, use the 1/4-inch jack tool to add the outer washer and the outer hexagon nut. Use a small object in the small holes of the end pin socket to lock it while tightening the outer hexagon nut with a 12mm wrench. Then put on the end pin strap nut and tighten it with a 17mm wrench. The strap nut should fit flush with the end pin jack threads. Remove the strings and the saddle. Reach inside the guitar to locate the bracing. Choose a spot to drill through the bridge slot without hitting the bracing. Using a 3mm or 1/8-inch bit, drill a hole at about 30 to 45 degree angle in the base side of the bridge, then clean the hole you just drilled with a wood file. Next, insert the Nanoflex Pickup, imprint side up, into the bridge hole you just drilled. Guide the pickup all the way to the end of the bridge slot. Secure the pickup with the saddle and then put a string in place or a piece of non-residue tape to hold the pickup in place. Next, use the blue tack provided into the hole you drilled to securely hold the Nanoflex Pickup and stop it from vibrating, which would cause feedback. Place the cable guide in a direct line to securely hold the Nanoflex Pickup and isolate it to further stop it from vibrating. Place the double guide near the spot where you would place the preamp. The wider post of the double guide will hold the Endpin Jack cable, and the thinner post will hold the Nanoflex Pickup cable. Secure all the cables inside the body of the guitar. The Sonic Doubleplay comes with its own adhesive for installing it into the sound hole. First, check to see that the adhesive makes good contact with the inside of the body of the guitar. If needed, use the extra adhesive to ensure good contact. Next, mount the Nanomag at the end of the fingerboard. Remove the protective tape from the Sonic Doubleplay Preamp to prepare it for installation. Before you install the preamp, plug the cables from the end pin and the pickups into the labeled sockets. Lastly, install the Doubleplay preamp at a discreet and convenient spot inside the sound hole. Notice that the pickup cables are suspended away from the guitar body so that they do not vibrate, which would cause feedback. The hole in the bridge slot has been filed clean, and blue tack or poster putty has been pushed into that hole and holds the Nanoflex cable firmly in place. The cable is then arched over the inside brace so that it doesn't come in contact with it and is secured with a cable holder. The Endpin Jack cable is secured to the side of the guitar with a wire guide so that you don't hear any scraping sounds inside your guitar. That's it for this video. Follow us on the web and on Facebook.